Hey guys, it's Ben, and today I'd like to present my newest Twisty puzzle. The Alpha Cube. Now, at first glance, this puzzle looks very similar to this one, the Axis Cube, which is a 3x3 shape mod. However, if you look carefully, you'll see that the puzzles are not the same. And while they have a identical cut pattern on every side, the geometry of the puzzles is different, and this should let you see that clearly. Whereas on the Axis Cube, where all of the wide points go toward one corner like this, on the Alpha Cube it's the opposite. It's where all the sharp points go toward one corner like this. And that makes this puzzle innately different in geometry. So on this puzzle you can make corner turns like this. And also these deep corner turns like this. And then again, shallow corner turns. But we also have these cuts that go all the way around and bisect the puzzle so that it can turn like this. There are 3 of these cuts. Here and here. The geometry of this puzzle is equivalent to a 4-layer cheese, and also equivalent to a delta cube with 2 extra layers on the corner turns like this. Because of the way the cuts are placed on this puzzle, it can shapeshift like this. You can make more turns and then turn again like that, and you can get some pretty interesting shapes with this puzzle. But what's also interesting is that you can make only 60-degree turns and turn again when the puzzle is in a cube. So you're not only limited to the 120-degree turns, but you can also make the 60-degree turns. And you can do this on both layers. It was a bit difficult coming up with the mechanism to allow for these 60-degree turns on all of the layers and still have the puzzle be relatively small and still have it to be the same size as a regular Axis Cube, 57mm to an edge. Let's go ahead and scramble it up. Now you have the option of scrambling it with or without shape-changing moves by keeping this layer here always rotated halfway. Here's an example of scrambling without changing the shape of the puzzle. Then you can also scramble it while changing the shape, which leads to some interesting results. And that is the puzzle fully scrambled. I designed the puzzle on SolidWorks and had it 3D printed through Shapeways in Y-Strong flexible material. I dyed it black using RIT dye and stickered it with these stickers from Oliver Naki. Thank you very much for that. It's interesting to note that this may in fact be the last Shapeways puzzle that will ever be made, or that has ever been made. I actually printed this after the price change. I was going to use another site like iMaterialize, but after seeing Shapeways 20% off discount and free shipping, it turned out to be actually slightly cheaper than those other sources at the time. So I still ended up ordering from Shapeways anyway. I'll be selling a copy of this puzzle in the future, so please be on the lookout for that. I don't know if I'll be auctioning it on eBay or just directly selling it through the Twisty Puzzles forum. I haven't made up my mind yet, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, so that's it for the Alpha Cube. I'm going to go solve this puzzle, and yeah, it's really fun to solve. I have managed to figure out a solution. It's not too hard and only needs one algorithm, but it's still a fun puzzle. Anyway, so that's about it. Hope you liked the puzzle. Thanks for watching.